This is Luis. I will show you how to use the Y120D crimping machine. First, we need to start the resetting for this machine and turn the power on. And before this, we should install the one-size dive. Okay, we can press the continue here. And I will show you the full crimping method for this machine. And first is the menu. Second is automatic. The third is the foot pedal menu. The fourth one is foot automatic. For example, if we want to crimping a 2-wire, yes, it's a 2-wire hydraulic hoses. Diameter is 1/2 inch. Yes, we install the fittings in the suitable connection, and we will be crimping this. Before crimping this, we need to show the measurement of the fittings. About these fittings, we can get 29, yes, 29 and 0.4. Usually we crimping this size to get the 25, yes, target. So the target diameter about the hydraulic hoses is 25. So the 25 minus the size of the dies is the target size in the pedal. The size dies is complete closing diameter is 23. And so we should adjust the target size to about 12 and 0.4, because we want to get the target size 25 and 0.4. Then we can redo the crimping works. We should put the fittings in the middle of the dies, in the middle, yeah. And we can measurement.